This video is to show you how to open Zoom and record lessons that you're going to teach to your students. The first thing you need to do is click on your Start menu and scroll until you find the Z's. And there's a Zoom folder. You're going to click on it. You're going to click Start Zoom. This is the Zoom application. You're going to click on the Start button. Maximize it. Click Join Computer Audio. Turn on your video. This is me with a virtual green screen behind me, which is actually neon poster board taped on my wall. The edges are kind of bad right now because I don't have all the lights on in the room. Better lighting, the better the green screen works. Anyway, so what you're going to do next is you're going to click Record down in the taskbar. So now I'm recording, and at this point is where the video will start from Zoom itself. Now, if I want to share something on my desktop with the students, there's this green button right here, and click it. The two things that I have found most handy right now is sharing my screen and sharing the whiteboard. The whiteboard enables you to draw and use stamps and type so the students can see what's going on. You can also give them control. So I'm going to click on whiteboard first and click share. And here is what the screen looks like. And I can do things like typing, whoops, or drawing. And in this menu that pops up here when someone else is in the video with you, the conference, there's a button that says remote control, and you can give the students control of this. But I'm going to stop sharing it now. The other thing that you can share is your whole screen, which means anytime you change applications like I am, it will show you changing them. Or you can pick a specific screen that you want them to view, and it will only show them that no matter what you're doing on your desktop. But I'm going to choose screen for now. I'm going to hit share. Now you'll notice I have moved to the top right hand corner, and you're now viewing the desktop of my computer. This will work great if you want to do something like show a YouTube video. So whatever is on my screen is what the students will see. And I still remain up here so they can hear and see me. So what happens from here, let me minimize that. I'm going to stop my share so I can come back to just me. So to stop the recording, you come back down here to the taskbar, you hit stop recording, and it tells you the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So I'm going to go ahead and end this meeting so you can see how this works. Click end meeting for all. Now it's going to pop up and tell me that I have a recording that needs to be converted before viewing. It says you may convert your recorder later by double clicking the .zoom file located in the recording folder. Now I have one other recording in my folder that I'll show you, and I'll show you how to differentiate between them once it gets there. Hopefully none of my kids walk through this doorway right now and ruin this. So it's almost done with 66%. Awesome. It looks like they're going to stay out of the room. Okay, so I must have deleted the other recording, but it'll have these files, and then there'll be Zoom underscore and a number. These are the different recordings that you have. So this is 0 because it's the first one I have in here. This MP4 file, Zoom underscore and a number, that's the file you want to share. These other two, this one is audio only. That's just what you hear. This one is what you hear and what you see. So this is the file that you would share with Vimeo or YouTube or Schoology, Shobi, Google Classrooms, Microsoft Notes Classroom, whatever LMS that you're using, the learning management system. So there you have it. If you have any questions, you can email me at wdomiano@sssbv.org. It's WDOMIANO sssbv.org.